Hey guys, I'm Alex from thetechnoclass.com, and today we're unboxing the Cherry Mobile W900, the Dragon phone. Rawr. That was my impression of a dragon. There you go. Alright, so hey guys, I'm Alex from thetechnoclass.com, and this is the Cherry Mobile W900. This is the recently released 1.2 GHz Snapdragon phone from Cherry Mobile, and it also has a 4-inch 800 by 480 screen. So it's one of the more promising smartphones out there. It's an Android phone, of course, and yeah, this is our unboxing video. So it's got Android 2.3 single SIM, 1.2 GHz, 4-inch screen, blah blah blah, 1 GB ROM, cha cha cha. So yeah, typical Android specs, which you always want. So taking out the cardboard here, you have a black box, and with a W in front, a shiny W in front here. This is actually a way nicer box inside, and reminds me of the BlackBerry type of boxes. So once you pop that open, you get a bit of some more fancy designs here. New Android 2.3, 1.2 GHz 4H LCD Eco Mode. I'll show you that in a bit. DLNA, TTS, that's just text-to-speech. And it actually comes with an 8 GB micro SD card, which is pretty awesome. So this is the phone right here, and we'll put that out of the way real quick because it doesn't have a battery yet and a bag apparently. So we'll just put that there. And this is the cardboard box, and whoa, alright, so you'll notice it does come with a scratch with a screen protector, which is nice. That's always a nice addition to the box. I guess this is a warranty card, yep. User guide, which is rather thick, and it's got color pictures and everything. So that's good. Alright, so this is the battery right here. Is a 1350 milliamp hour battery. So a circular cylindrical plug to whatever plug plugs. So micro SD, micro USB port cable to a USB cable for charging, and you also get a typical socket adapter plug adapter for your USB cable for charging. And this is the 3.5mm headset with I'm trying to find the controls here. I am not sure it has any controls. It might just have a microphone, so we'll find out later. And this is the back. So there you go with the box. Let's get it out and put the battery in and pop it and turn it on. Alright, so the battery goes in like so, and by the way, you'll notice the 8 GB SD card micro SD card right there, which is a great inclusion. And some people still ask what kind of SD card comes with their phone, so there you go, 8 GB for this one. That's a lot. That looks pretty nice actually. So it's a shiny black plastic, and let's turn it on. There we go. Now it's booting up. So on the front here you have it seems to me like a proximity sensor and ambient light sensor, a front camera, and a weird T logo here. Speaker grill, 4-inch 800 by 480 screen, menu button, a home button, and a back button. These are capacitive. A W here for the, I guess, the W900, and there you go. It's booting up. That's it for the front. You'll also see a microphone here, and you'll notice the supposedly gold accents around the phone here, which makes it look kind of nice, but I would say they're not gold. They're more like copper to me. So that's something to remember when you're trying to look for the color that you want. This is a 3.5mm headset jack hidden under this flappy thing. So there you go, flappy thing, 3.5mm headset jack. And I believe this is the lanyard port right there. This is the volume rocker. And that's about it for this left side. On the bottom you have your microphone, your pinhole microphone, and that's it. On the right you have something else. We have something interesting here. So there's a sticker here. I don't know if that's required. Let me get that to focus. So there you go, Qualcomm sticker. I believe we'll just take that off. This is the micro USB port for charging and data transfer. Alright, so on the right side here you'll see there's a power and unlock button, and there's an Eco logo here with the leaf and sort of a slider thing, which I'll show you how to use later. So that's it for yeah, the top here. Yeah, there's nothing there. Let's see. So on the back you have a 5-megapixel camera with no flash, a W logo here, and another Cherry Mobile logo there, and I'm getting fingerprints on it. So you'll notice there's also a decal here that says curvaceous, and that is up to you if you like that, but it's kind of weird looking. So there seems to be too many logos on this phone. Alright, so we'll get to the interface here. Alright, so as usual we darkened the video a little bit so we can get to focus on the interface for a bit. So this is the W900's custom Android 2.3 build. It's a very customized build that is almost similar to Samsung's TouchWiz interface, with so many customizations here and there, and some of them are pretty good. So as you can see, it's the front screen here is sort of familiar. It's side-scrolling home screens. You can put widgets on there. There's 4 main buttons here, and this is the this goes to your app launcher right there. And the app launcher is a side-scrolling paginated one, much like TouchWiz. So some of the other customizations here is that you also get a custom notification bar. And of course you get some themes and stuff, and the icons are different. So one of the new sort of upgraded features is the 5-megapixel camera, but it has a bunch of scene modes and stuff. So you have a mode here for normal, panorama, low-mo, stuff like that. There's also settings for face effects. So you can do, you know, enlarged face and stuff like that. So you have funny effects there, here and there. The video mode is 720p, of course. So there's also a custom feature where you plug your 3.5mm headset in, and it'll pop up a list of available applications that you might want to use. So music, video, YouTube, dialer, and a bunch of other, you can also assign stuff in there, or you can even disable the pop-up if you want. There's also a custom widget loader launcher thing here, and if you hold the home button, it goes to the task switcher, but you also have a built-in task killer. Let's see what else we got here. So it has DLNA functionality. There's a custom video player that can play a lot of DivX and other stuff like that. So one of the biggest new features on the Cherry Mobile W900 is the Eco mode. So you have a slider on the right here, and what you do is you just slide it down and it activates Eco mode. Now Eco mode is sort of like a custom shortcut mode to a bunch of your settings here. You can make it set your GPS off, your exit applications and stuff like that. And there's a bunch of modes you can pick here: editor mode, sleep mode, cinema mode, conference mode. So you can have a lot of versions of this mode by just sliding the switch right here. So for example, you want to save battery really quickly, you just switch that button there and you're on eco mode and saving battery. That's a pretty cool feature that adds value to this purchase right here. So you can also have up to 9 home screens right here, as you can see. That's quite a lot, and most users only have 7 or 5, and they're pretty content with that. But if you have 9, that's a lot of space to work with. There you go. I'm gonna go set it to 4, and we can do 4. And I'm gonna turn off eco mode. looks like so. So there you go. That is the Cherry Mobile W900 Dragon phone, and it's a pretty decent phone with a very professional grade customized UI, Android 2.3 Gingerbread UI with a lot of customizations. You got the eco mode, you got the media pop-up, you got the task killer, you got the let me show you the music player. It's crazy. This is the typical portrait version, but if you play it on in landscape version, as you can see, it's a customized UI, and there's a volume slider up on the left, and you can slide on tracks over on the right, and then you should see some album covers on these squares here, but I don't think the pre-installed music has album covers. So there you go. That's a pretty cool music player, pretty cool phone. 4-inch screen, 1.2 gigahertz processor. It's pretty snappy so far, and yeah, we'll review this phone and let you know what we think. But there you go. This is the unboxing of the W900. I'm Alex from thetechnoclass.com. Thanks for watching.